3 to 1 action.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Now the first thing you're going to notice is that I actually got a haircut and I look very different, mainly because I'm not wearing glasses anymore. I've got contact lenses and I'm getting used to them right now. It's currently the 4th week of university, and the main reason I made this channel, as I said before, was to talk about my life in university and to document it, and I haven't done a really good job of that recently, mainly because for these first 4 weeks I've been trying to catch up on the first 4 weeks. It's been really difficult and quite intense, but I understand the structure of the weeks now and how my year throughout university hopefully is going to be, with the timetable and when I need to do certain things and how university works. So that's really quite cool. That's what this video is going to be about: introduction to life as a University of Birmingham mathematics student. Now obviously this is going to vary from different universities. Some universities will have more workload, some will have less, but that all depends. So yeah, the first thing I'm going to talk about is weekly problem sheets. Now, in the same way we used to get homework in A-level and GCSE and that kind of stuff, in the University of Birmingham, as a math student, we get problem sheets every Wednesday and we have to give them in by the next Wednesday. And throughout the week there's different support sessions to help us with that. So we have weekly problem sheets. We also, because I'm doing just mathematics, and if you are a STEM student, which is a student studying, I believe it's science, technology, engineering or maths, and you are doing just a single subject like just maths or just physics, then at the University of Birmingham you are required to take an extra module worth 20 credits in your first year, just to make up extra credits. In case you fail some of your modules, you can still pass the year with this extra module. Now I personally chose problems of philosophy. I really wanted to do philosophy of religion because I was good at that, and that's why I did at A-level, but that clashed with my timetable, so that was a no-go. But yeah, I chose problems of philosophy, and that's 20 credits. That's a 1 hour lecture a week, and then every 2 weeks we have a seminar, and that seminar is on a Wednesday. So my Wednesday is I have to get my set reading done for philosophy, I have to make notes on that for Wednesday, and I also have to get my weekly problem sheets done for maths. So it's pretty intense. And also next week, which is week 5, I'm going to have just a week of, instead of lectures, certain lectures throughout the week. I believe we're going to have 4 tests throughout the week, and these tests overall count to, I believe it is 5% of our overall grade. And since right now I'm just lost in maths, I haven't revised nearly enough and I haven't done enough work outside, I haven't done enough revision. I'm going to be spending this next week trying to do that. And also, as a single honors math students, we have MMPS, which is mathematics modeling, problem solving. That's like group work. We finished the first task, which took us 3 weeks, and the next one is for 2 weeks, and they give us an assignment where they say this is the problem. It's a real world kind of thing. You have to model some mathematics for it, and you have to prove that if it's feasible. If it's not feasible, you have to, the first one we had to produce a report, and now we're going to have to produce a video. I'll probably do the editing for that because I've got a camera and I know how to edit in our group, but I need to do work for that for next week to take to our group meeting, and I also have to revise for next week because we have exams. So my life right now as a math student is pretty damn hectic, so I'm sure you can agree or understand why I haven't been making a lot of videos. But hopefully as soon as I start doing more work, I'll start recording it and make a kind of vlog kind of thing when I start doing the problem sheets and start doing my maths work, and hopefully I can get the courage to walk around uni with the camera out. Right now it's still seeming a bit awkward for me even to have my phone out. It just feels really awkward, but hopefully I can give you a tour of the University of Birmingham. It's an absolutely amazing campus, I really enjoy it, and even though I'm struggling to keep up with the math right now, I'm still enjoying lectures and finding them very interesting. It's just I need to put more effort in. I'm being lazy. But yeah, I want to thank you for being patient and watching this video. More to come. Hopefully I can remember to vlog all the work that I'm doing. Not really the work itself, but just show you what kind of things I do while I'm working and the time taken and other things that might be interesting for people who want to know about what university life is like. And also for myself when I'm watching this in 5 to 10 years, just remembering those kind of things. So I apologize for the really boring video. There's no humour in this, it's just informative. Hopefully in the vlogs I can just add in a little bit of jokes here and there. I don't want them to be bland and boring like this video. But I want to thank you for sticking along and liking and commenting and subscribing, and peace.